what if we could bring back the most important poet of the 20th century, as well as the most controversial philosopher of the 20th century, and let them have the conversation they never had. My name is Adrian Wagner. I'm co-founder of the Black Forest Metamodern School, and we aim to generate a conversation through AI and language completion programs that is set up and trained on the text of Paul Celan and Martin Heidegger to continue the conversation they started in the Black Forest but never continued. How will we do this? We will have a wind-powered installation, a Gestell, a frame, that only runs once the wind blows, that only works once the sun shines. The core idea of this playful, ironic, but also very sincere approach is to shine new light on a collective blind spot and on a tragedy, how one of the Jewish and most important poets got in touch with Heidegger, who was a very influential philosopher during the Nazi time. What if we could continue a healing, a regenerative dialogue around those big topics both of them were dealing with? Like, what does it mean to be a human? How does technique evolve? How do we want to live in the future? And what is the relationship, the ambiguous connection between nature and transhumanism? We really want you to join our project, to engage, to support us, and to be part once the installation is set up on the festival.